Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number one is companion, the number two, oh confusion. Number three is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Preaching practical solution, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion, yeah. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number one is companion, the wife number two, oh confusion. Wife number three is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, a Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solution, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion, everybody in commotion, yeah. A Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation.
Don't worry. With all this food stuff, they still never give you food to chop.
I cannot tell it all. He makes me to see everything. So, hey, Mrs. Bedford, leave my fish alone.
I was only looking.
With your hand, Eva. Don't be only looking before you be only tasting.
Why is there no fish in this food, please?
Did you buy fish? Chief.
Isn't that fish over there? Artificial yellow purple. Do you want to go and sell it?
Big bag. If I sell it, it concern you. In short, I am going to open a fish supermarket, sell all my fish, and ask my brother to bring container of fish to me.
This is Fuji house. We are supposed to share.
Yes, so when we finish sharing the things you hide in your room, what the Lord has done for her.
Sure.
Must be permanent. Must be permanent.
Mami.
See fish, yam, rice, ogede, meat. Oga.
See, you do well,
Thank you. You buy that all this. Thank you very much.
You do well. We oh.
What's matter?
Jumoke, Bolaji, Feyi, Fati, calm down.
Why you take fish from my mouth?
What was he doing there in the first place?
Just taste.
So anywhere you see fish, you taste it. What?
Inside Fuji house is anywhere,
Ask her. Mommy.
Ngwa, carry all these things to my room upstairs.
Mommy. Up the stairs.
Yes, up the stairs. So now.
Mommy is heavy now.
Come on, carry it upstairs. For these hungry looking people finish tasting my fish.
Small do.
Carry you. Oga.
Hey.
This fish is plenty.
Man,
Why are we putting this one in your wardrobe?
you want those hungry people to finish chopping my fish?
But we put the other ones in the bathroom.
Because that one is small.
Mommy,
Come is the money your uncle gave you?
Mommy.
Come on, bring it out immediately.
Mommy, he said I could do it now. I'm doing it now.
Give me. When you grow up, I'll give it to you. Don't worry. I said when you grow up,
Yes, Mommy.
Mommy, you're keeping money for me too.
Yes, oh my dear.
And me too. My own is now 32,621 naira, 58 kobo.
Are you sure?
Yes, so minus what I said they gave me when I was born. When I grow up, you give me a bill.
I'll give you, eh?
Mommy. My special mommy.
My daughter.
Hey. Special mommy.
My daughter.
Mommy.
Adam wine.
Mommy, this fish is very sweet.
Yes,
Hey.
Oh, come in. I hope you have a good reason for disturbing me this morning.
See, a good morning.
Ah, Carol.
I bring water for bath.
Come on, you. Get up. Go and find something to do this ceremony. Get up.
Hello, worry me. Good morning. Mommy. Good morning.
It's a good morning.
Tia, water is ready. I go to market now.
You go to market. What about my breakfast now?
It is pistol.
Hey. Tell Peace that I want yam and pepper soup for breakfast. And bokoto plus roundabout.
Any other thing?
What do you mean any other thing?
Because all that one for breakfast is too much in it.
It concern you?
Not at all. You no concern me. Ma binu.
No, Binu.
Shall be permanent. It shall be permanent. It shall be permanent. Good morning, Mama.
Good morning, please. Good morning. It is a very, very good morning for you. My eyes show me.
God is good.
Very good.
I am going to open my beer parlor now.
Eh?
Yes,
This. Chief say you should prepare him yam pepper soup with bokoto, shaki, rambadout, pomo, dry fish.
plus Ozunwada. Tell him to add me inside. Is it because of this my money, Ekwa? Okay, we shall see. I don't have time for anybody. I have business to attend to today.
Please, but you are supposed to cook for the house. The children food.
I've cooked it. It's in the pot. It shall be permanent.
Oga o.
She has plenty money.
Money. You see yourself, eh?
Chief, I'm going for antenatal today.
And so,
I need some money.
come and carry me.
Chief, what you are doing to me in this house is not good. You will give other wives money. You will not give me money.
And so, hey, Peace, bring my food, Ojare.
Chief, you promised me. You promised me when you married me that you are going to get me an air-conditioned duplex. Chief.
And you believed? My food, oh, please, I have important appointment.
Why did you lie to me, Chief? And I've stayed in my father's house. You lied to me.
Ireti, it is not too late, oh. Yeah? Akumbi, are you the one who came?
No, please go. She said she have important business in her beer parlor. And she carry plenty money and left.
Is that so? That woman. Kumbi, where is the pepper soup?
She said you can come and carry her. That she will never let you shop her money.
Amen. That artificial yellow pawpaw. I will kill her in this house. Can you imagine you are serving me yam and palm oil? Amy, I will show her. I will kill her. With all the money, I will kill her. Go. Yes. Kumbi, please find me food to eat.
But I don't have fish in the house now. But I can go and buy now. But if you give me money, now I lost my salary, my days.
Is that so? No problem. Amy, I will show all of you in this house. All you women, I will show you in this house. All of you, better. Nonsense. Wait, don't worry. I will show you. I will show all of you. Amy.
Children, come and eat your food, oh.
You have yam and egg.
Come, shut up.
How can they give me yam and all that?
Go and call your own mommy.
Mo, come and take your yam and oil, oh. Bolaji, come and take your yam and egg, oh.
Mommy!
That's all your man will
Come, shut up.
It's not fair. It's not fair at all.
It is not fair.
Egg? Why you eating yam and egg and we're eating yam and palm oil?
Like that. Manage it.
Money
Come, shut
Boy.
up.
that. See.
Mommy!
Come and cook for you.
I don't like all this nonsense. So that's how they'll be doing. They'll be giving them yam and egg and they'll be giving us yam and palm oil.
Manage it.
Jumoke, you see what your mama did?
Next time, if you want to call me, put sister, okay?
That is not what I'm talking about, Joe. In the morning, yam and palm oil. Afternoon, nothing at all. Now see, maths that I know is even solving me.
Askobo. Bolaji, abeg, come go buy amala for me for that joint. Tell Iyamala that I want turkey and snail.
Me too, I will eat though.
Of course you eat. Bolaji, run to Mr. Biggs, buy me fried rice, chicken and salad, and tell them to put moi moi and spaghetti. Share here. Bring it to the room. Oh. If you have an uncle, tell him to give you 5K.
Come, Bolaji, if you buy that food, then you not pass this place.
Baby, you can't do it.
You can't. Wait for me there, you stupid son of yellow pawpaw.
Why did he
Shut up. Come, all of you. See when Papa comes back, we shall all start to sing. And when he asks us, we shall say, no food in our belly, no eba in our plate. Water one in this house. I mean, no. Water one in this house. Are you ready? Are we ready? Let's try it. Move. You're on drum. Okay. You ready? 1, 2, go.
No food in our belly, no ever in our place. Water one in this house. I mean, no. Water one in this house.
Very fine. People will go Starbucks every time. Don't forget it.
Children, did anybody die? No, we thank God. Salome Jojalo.
Chief, you know go ask them wetin happen.
They are hungry, that is all. Jalo. Jalo.
All of you are stupid children, stupid. Why did you not sing no food in our belly, eh?
But you did not ask us what is the matter, and you say when you say what is the matter.
All of you are fools. Who said that?
Said what?
Who said on YouTube?
Did what?
Look, I will just beat all of you now. Come on, sing, you cannot sing.
Why should I in my last minute to sing that useless song anyway?
Come and eat the food now. Guys, big head, cowbell.
Chief.
Salud.
Chief.
Salud.
Chief.
Salud.
Chief.
Thank you. Salud.
Chief.
You do well, oh.
I know it's good for you.
You do well.
I don't know. Somebody.
Thank you, my brother.
Hey, you. Come here.
But I love you. Hey.
All hungry people, advance.
But I love you. Hey. But I love you.
All hungry people.
But I love you.
Attack!
Light away. But I love you.
Wait.
Excuse that.
Wait, my friend.
Wait. Brother.
Wait. You don't respect for yourself.
Oh God.
Salud.
Chief.
Thank you.
Chief. They don't they shout again, eh? Which
Make them, let them talk, Charlie.
Chief. Chief. See now.
Salud. Come.
Chief, and I don't like as they shout. So.
Let them shout. Come on. No, let me tell you. Anytime peace is in the kitchen, that is what happens. She did not give me breakfast. Now it is lunchtime. Where's my lunch? Oh, I beg, come, Charlie. Salute, baby.
Chief, don't mind them. Just eat.
Salute.
Chief.
Salute, baby.
My great chief.
Thank you. If not for you, I would have done that.
My own chief. Chief.
Who ate my food? Who ate my food here?
What wait,
Nonsense, boy. God, what is the meaning of all this nonsense fighting and civil disorder?
Papa, he ate Sister Jumoke's food.
Yes.
Rabiu, did you not eat your own food? Rabiu, you eat and eat and eat, yet you remain Tirikbekupana like Alika. Eh? Where did you eat our food? Did you not eat your own?
Papa, Hitler did not cook.
What did you say?
Mommy did not cook this afternoon, so Jumoke. Sister Jumoke went and bought Mama food.
So you brought Mama food into this house?
No, Mama.
Get me my
Bolaji
cake.
was hungry. Yes.
Rabiu, you ate Mama food in this house. Get me my cake.
Papa, please.
I will teach you how not to eat Mama food.
Except you, I did not eat.
All right, all of you lie down.
Papa.
Lie down.
Papa.
You will receive heavy stroke of my cake on your bottom.
Everybody ate the food except Auntie Jumoke and me.
But you bought the food, sure.
Should I refuse it by seeing or she send me a message?
All right, so since all of you ate the food, all of you will take 10 strokes of my sweet cake. Come here, I start to teach you how not to eat Mama food in this house. Everybody lie down. All of you. Next time you will know. Come on, lie down. Next time you will know how not to eat Mama food in this house. Shut up there. All of you will remain in that position until further notice. Shut up there. If I hear him from any one of you, I will now give you the I will teach you the number 2 lesson. Nonsense children of useless mothers.
Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2, oh conclusion. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Preaching practical solution, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion, yeah. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this better union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion, the wife. Number 2, oh solution. Wife number 3 is commotion. Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. A Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solution. A Fuji house of commotion.